Hi Swali, so this is what I want to show you. I am here on the business Facebook page. So this is my profile. This is the Meta Business Suite, and I am trying to create a post right now. And the problem is with the Instagram when I try to create a post. So I've clicked on Create Post here, and now the portal will open, wherein I will, try and create a post. So I'll quickly copy and paste some data. So that will which is creating some kind of a problem. So what I will do is I'll only create a post on Instagram here. We can see the Real Cotton India. That is my Instagram page, and that is the Instagram sign. So I'm trying to post this on here. Now I'll post this on some more. And so whatever text I put in, so I'm trying to put some text over here. You can see I've copied some text, and this is the text that I have copied. And now I've created the text. Now I'm also uploading a photo because Instagram is all about photos. So I'm just taking any just random photo that I have. This is one of the latest photos that I have. So I have uploaded the photo is being uploaded here, the photo is here, and now here you can see, here we can see earn ₹50,000 with us. Whatever text I've entered, it is showing here, right? So which means that when I publish it, it should also come in the main Instagram page. But when I click publish, it says that is publishing your post. And now it says it has published. So but now when I go to instagram.com, and I open my page, see, I open this, but there's no text here. So this is the problem that I'm facing right now. There's no text here. Just to check, I click on another photo. There is some kind of text here. You will see that there will be some kind of text. Yeah, so this is the text which I post from directly. Yes.